To escape and sit quietly on the beach, that's my idea of paradise. At the beach, life is different. Time doesn't move hour to hour, but mood to moment. We live by the currents, plan by the tides, and follow the sun. The waves of the sea help me get back to me. The beach is not a place to work, to read, write, or to think. Smell the sea and feel the sky. Let your soul and spirit fly. Every time I stand before a beautiful beach, its waves seem to whisper to me. If you choose the simple things and find joy in nature's simple treasures, life and living need not be so hard. To go out with the setting sun on an empty beach is to truly embrace your solitude. I could never stay long enough on the shore. The tang of the untainted, fresh, and free sea air was like a cool, quieting thought. Dear ocean, thank you for making us feel tiny, humble, inspired, and salty, all at once. An ocean breeze puts a mind at ease.